You think it's the
They're all
same?
backing up from him too. Yeah, look.
It's a flame right there.
Where?
Right in front of you.
No one's getting close to it.
Baby ducks are right in front of you.
Yeah, I see that. That's as big as the baby ducks that are at my place. That's how big they've gotten, babe.
It's full size.
Basically, they look the size of their mama. Oh my gosh, it's like so amazing that I've got to capture that. Look at the crane. Just chilling. What you doing? I wonder if geese have the same type of thing
Or
as
the crane's
ducks.
straight up walking. Everybody else swimming.
Whoa, where are you going? Babe, make sure I don't fall in this water, please.
Okay.
It's literally trying to go underneath the thing. You see the crane?
I see most of them. Oh, he might be going after the baby duck.
The turtles are coming up too. You see that little turtle right there?
I don't like all these ducks around.
That's where it eats. That stork is literally like pressing down into the water.
Look at all the baby ducks. There's like 8 now.
Oh, I see it. They probably really don't know who their mama or daddy is. Let's be real. There's a baby turtle. Well, these turtles are clearly not scared.
This one right here?
Oh, shoot. No, I didn't. Now I do.
He's got a baby though.
He gone now. I don't see it. Oh, it's over there now.
What?
The turtle that we just saw over here. I don't know, but that turtle that you just showed me is right there, babe.
Look at the duck.
I totally farted, excuse me.
I can't smell it.
Oh.
Turtle.
They literally just threw up. Stop feeding them this random freaking food. They literally just threw up.
Who did?
One of the babies, you could tell. Because I remember that looked just like the throw up that happened to my ducks. I'm going to call them my ducks. I'm going to name those ducks at my place.
Oh, you going to be able to tell them apart and everything?
No, you can't tell them apart.
Yeah, you will. After you name them.
That baby need a change.
Ew.
You see that throw up? Ew, it's so much. They have too much bread. All right, that's our cue to leave. And then they don't know how to break up their food.
Look, he's running. And turtle back. That's a different turtle, I think. Hey, you got a fish.
Whoa! Whoa! OMG! Wowzers! I got that on video. I'm pretty sure. What are you doing?
That's crazy. Time to go. Can't take the throw out.
Okay.
Freaking caught him.
Guys, that was so cool. I'm still on video, by the way. I'm so glad my phone did not die.